Get started, we got to collect all of our eggs. So I found one already in the box. Getting ready to clean it out.
These are the girls sitting on the guinea eggs. Oh, they're pipping. Oh, we got a hatched one. No, we don't. This one is baby.
this is our guinea coop that we're building. The walls are pallets at the bottom, and then the top is just going to be chicken wire. The roof is going to be metal tin. We put this fence up. When we put the fence up, we did it knowing that we were going to build a lean-to off of the shed to store some of our equipment and stuff in, but we've kind of repurposed that, and now this is actually going to be the guinea coop once it's all done. It's a mess back here right now. We just had a ton of rain, but this is where we're at. So this is pretty much the setup, and then I'll finish off the pallets and everything for the walls. Got to put the chicken wire up over here, but that's where we're at. Like I said, we're not kind of designing it as we go. So there'll be a door here and a door here, and then that way we made the doors big enough that if we decide not to use it for a coop at some point, we can transition back to whatever storage or whatnot, but it'll be part of the shed.